UST, they're down 2 sets. The same predicament that they had against National University last Wednesday. This time, it is Ateneo doing the damage here.
Well, Ateneo's looking very sharp. They're not blinking. Everything seems to be working well for them, especially here in the first 2 sets. And you know what I loved about how they're playing is that they're keeping it very simple. No flashy moves, but everything is just really efficient, very consistent. And when it comes to defense, they're always there. So wala makikita masyadong butas eh. And, you know, UST is just having a difficult time in breaking that defense of Ateneo.
Sabi ni Judy Caballejo, bago magsimula yung laro, sinabi natin kanina na sa tingin niya, wala silang saya against National University at kaya sila natalo. When you go back to that statement, as you look at the numbers on your screens, when you go back to that statement, do you see any difference here in this game? And
seems like there's none actually. Kanina I saw some signs of, you know, people smiling or rejoicing, but it's
per set, no?
Yeah, per set. But the difficulty there is that they're down all throughout. So it's difficult to rejoice. Syempre, you have nothing to rejoice about it. I guess they have to find it within themselves to really minimize those errors that they've been committing and just really play the normal UST game, because everybody knows, everybody's seen how they can play, and this is not the kind of game that we're used to seeing from them.
9 unforced errors.
So Ateneo's errors very kept at a minimum.
And another thing that's working for Ateneo today, there's a variety of people attacking too, Anne.
Yes.
Right?
There's not just one person standing out, because you see Jem Ferrer really trying to give all her attackers an opportunity to attack.
Tejada has had her moments, Hervasio has had her moments, even Ho. And of course, the usual suspects in Cainglet and Valdez. Third set underway. Caballejo with the left hand. Ferrer opens up to Valdez again. Okay, chance ball ang sigaw ng bench ng UST. Let's see what they do. Ortiz with her second clean attack, and Lantin points to the Ateneo team. Maybe that's what they need, a little bit of attitude here in set number 3. Let's look at this. Bam!
It came from a good reception. Lantin didn't have to move, and she was very happy with that point.
They gotta try something as Ateneo gives up 2 points here at the start of the third set. Now, again, we look at Ateneo. How will they play in the third set? Because, as we said in the past, they do have that tendency to go back to their old habits. Nice find by Valdez.
Drop attack by Valdez.
Valdez making volleyball look very simple.
This girl can play with so much power and finesse at the same time. Talking about Alyssa Valdez. Down 1 point here, 1 serving 2. Let's go to Selena Dagdag.
A single block niyo si Caballejo at bantayan niyo si Ortiz. These were the exact words of Coach Roger earlier in the huddle upon getting the Lady Eagles together. He also reminded the girls of the importance of staying alert and having presence of mind. Diniin ni Coach Roger, pag nag-receive sila, abangan niyo na. Kahit anong gagawin niyo, susundan kayo ng mga yan, kaya play smart. Sabi pa ng Lady Eagles sa huddle kanina after encouraging each other para kay Pacquiao. That's all for now, Boom and Dan.
Thank you very much, Selena. Well, let's see if they will stay alert here. They're down 2 points. Lauren Lantin is trying to pump up some life into this team.
Lantin to serve for UST.
With the way that she's acting on the court.
Well, they need that now more than ever. Oh, look at how smart
Hervasio off the block.
that attack was from Hervasio.
Saran, valiant effort, unable to save it though. Z swiping it off.
You saw that she really aims to the hand of the blocker.
Ayun, sa mga bagong nanonood sa atin ng volleyball. Ano po yun? Sinasadya po yun. Hindi yung pachamba-chamba na tama. Talagang ang mga ibang manlalaro natin dito sa volleyball really aim for what they call a swipe.
Caballejo to serve for UST.
Tumama sa gilid ng mga braso at kamay ng kanilang kalaban. Back set. Sent back. And then sent back again, and
Ball out of bounds.
no, it doesn't catch the
Point
line.
goes to UST.
Nagkatinginan yung mga referee. Biggest lead for UST in this match.
First time they actually
Oh.
had it.
5 serving 2. Let's check in with Tina Marasigan.
A number of pointers from Coach Ogie. Avoid giving out open blocks, setting up without a spiker at wag magbadali dahil napansin din niya, malayo pa ang bola, naka-extend na ang braso nila. Napansin din ni Coach na dadala ng Tigresses ang bigat ng service errors nila sa set and he wants them to eradicate that attitude. Extend your bodies for defense, dagdag pa ni Coach, and he also wants his girls to communicate inside the court. That's all for now, Boom.
Maraming salamat, Tina. Better rally for UST here. Let's see what they do. Mababa para kay Ortiz, pero the crowd reacting, they said they think it's a net ball or a net block. Look at this, longest rally of the match so far. Ateneo looking to put it away. Gretchen Ho, Lantin with great reflexes there. Napatayo si Coach Roger sa gilid. Napatayo si Coach Roger for the first time as UST gets that point off a long rally. Nabuhay ang tao dito sa arena. And
UST now getting back that energy.
Coach Roger dito sa gilid, oh. Sabi niya 2 beses na raw yan.
Let's take a look at that again.
Ito yung last point.
Yeah.
This is the last point. No check ball. It looked like, no?
There wasn't.
And half of the crowd cheering, half of the crowd booing. Intense action here in the third. 6 serving 2. Cross court. May konting buhay yung mga player ng UST ngayon. Trying to inject some life. Kainglet. Double block. Phil again. Goes cross court. Tusaran says, I can take that. Lastimosa lines up. She hits the net. She hits the net.
Clear net violation there.
Called on Lastimosa.
She apologizes to her teammates as Tejada marches back in for Ateneo.
Court to serve for Ateneo.
For the first time, Ateneo trailing, trying to come back here early in the third with a former Ika standout on deck. Judy sends it to Pamela. Regalo. The joust. Ferrer sends it back. They go to 2-9. Some long rallies here in the third set. Chance ball for Ateneo. Ferrer goes to Kainglet, finds a spot. Doesn't force the attack. Some great action, and I don't care who you're rooting for here if you're watching on TV or here at the arena. Just
Serving again for Ateneo.
some great plays and athletes.
You know, UST is doing well here in the third set, but I must commend how composed Ateneo is, even if they're down in this set. You don't see them pressured, you don't see them rattled.
Tunay back to Pamela. Coverage was there for Ateneo, pero overset or over-received rather. Jem Ferrer tinuro si Lastimosa dahil mukhang nag-cross, ano? So a couple of errors here for Pamela that cost them a couple of points. Good on Jem for telling the referee.
Lead to 1. 5 serving 6.
That's how quick Jem's eyes are. Kita niya agad yun.
That's out. Sailed out. De Leon steps in for UST. Lazaro marches back for Ateneo. 7 serving 5. The UST crowd here at the arena, medyo a lot noisier than the last 2 sets. And
Well,
again, service errors.
this is a crucial set. We are in the third, and it's the last chance of UST to extend this game. So they can't afford
for Ateneo.
any more errors. I mean, malayo pa tayo, no, before the end of the
Yep.
third set, but
Oh, nice serve by Phil. Good setup job of coverage again by Lazaro. Ferrer this time goes back to Eliza. A smart volleyball by the Batangueña. UST here, in total, 7 service errors. Ateneo has 6 for themselves also, but the more important numbers there ahead 2 sets. Now we're tied, which was broken with that 7th service error by Ateneo. Kabla na rin tayo sa service errors. So UST gets into the technical timeout ahead 8-7. KitKat break. Get ready for what's next. Have a break. Have a KitKat.